Hi everyone, this is Rael again from Land Direct USA, your source of quality and affordable land. Now today we have here a 0.25 acre lot. This is at Boat Ramp Drive in Fritch, Texas, and this is at Hutchinson County. Now on the side here we have some aerial photos. There are some actual photos of the nearby area as well. So let's take a quick look. Now this is your 0.25 acre lot. As you can see, there is a nice paved road access, and the lot is just super close to the Canadian River, which is one of the main attractions in Fritch. So, the lake is a popular spot for fishing, boating, swimming, and also is surrounded by several parks and hiking trails. Here are some actual photos of the area. Now this is your lot, and adjoining lots is available, so you can purchase 2 or more lots. Now if you're going to go back and scroll down a bit, you will see here property details, and the green one is the buyer's application form. At the bottom of the website, you will see here our full screen view of the lot, which is powered by our MapRight software. You just need to click in View Full Screen and you will be directed to an interactive map. Now the map will show you dimensions and borders. You can also check the surrounding environment and what type of road access the property has. So again, this is your beautiful lot. Again, adjoining lots is available. And it's situated in a nice residential area. So the primary transportation within the city is US Route 136. Which runs through the city and connects Fritch to other nearby cities, such as Borger here on the east and Amarillo down south. Now I'm just going to show you. Further east we have here Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Now, if you are interested with this lot, it's available at landdirectusa.com with cash discount price of only $6,500. We offer seller financing with no credit check required. You just need to fill up the buyer's application form, put in a down payment of only $200 to reserve the lot, or if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call us at 928-515-3510. Thank you.